Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share your February add-on kits. There are 3 add-on kits, the cardstock, the pattern paper, and the embellishment add-on to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. This is a perfect way to get them to go even further and have more options. So we're going to start by digging in. We're going to take a closer look at the cardstock add-on first of all. And I leave the pattern paper here so that you can see the collections and see how well they coordinate. It also gives me lots of great ideas of what could kind of combine among the collections. So don't be afraid to mix and match your collections. So for each collection, you're going to receive 3 sheets of cardstock. These will not be any duplicates from the Flavors of the Month kit, so they're additional colors. Starting with the Echo Park Birthday Boy, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Stonewash and 2 sheets of Red Rock. Matches perfectly in here. For the Pebbles Kit at Heart collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Gold Rush and 2 sheets of Lagoon. And then for the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Patina and 2 sheets of Romance, that beautiful soft pink, a perfect match in here, and you can see the turquoise down in here as well. For the Simple Stories Weathered Garden collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Aloe Vera and 2 sheets of Flintstone, that gorgeous gray and that minty green that comes into these collections. Your next add-on is the patterned paper add-on, and this is one of my favorites because I'm a paper addict. So for the paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So again, these will not be any duplicates. They'll be additional pattern papers for you to play with. So starting with Echo Park Birthday Boy, we have this one that has all of the different birthday text and icons. The back is a star print in the red, white, and blue with yellow. This paper is called Yippee. This paper has all of the banners across it and then some that have the words. Super cute. The back is a 2-toned blue polka dot. This paper is called Boy Birthday Banners. For the Pebbles collection, Kit at Heart, we have a floral paper on the light green, that sage green. This paper is called Happy Day, and those are definitely some happy flowers. The back is this gingham print in all of the different colors, so that gives you a good idea. I just love those colors. The branding strip is a blue and white stripe. This paper, called Better Together from the Kit at Heart collection, is a rainbow stripe, and you can see it kind of overlaps and it's not completely straight. It offsets, so it gives you a secondary color between the two. That's really unique. The back is a 2-toned blue polka dot. The branding strip are those adorable little snails. For Simple Stories Happy at Heart, we have this paper called Forever Yours, which already has a bordered background and the florals in the bottom right and top left. Makes an easy and quick background page. The back is all of the different small florals on that dark navy blue. This paper, called Happy Heart Day, is all of the labels, and we have some music notes on some of the botanical flowers on the others. Lots of fun to kind of cut apart and use as tuck-ins and embellishments. You can add dates, journaling, the who, what, when, where. You can cut them into strips for borders. The back is a text print. Love you to the moon and back. Be mine. I really, really, really like you. And then for the Weathered Garden collection from Simple Stories, we have Cut Apart. These are journal elements, so I always love these papers from Simple Stories. They usually give you long ones that's kind of like a long list, and then you have like a 3x4 size, one that's a little bit more. It's probably about 3 by 5 inches. And some that are smaller with all of those beautiful icons. Perfect to add your journaling in. The back is a plaid in that golden and charcoal. This paper called Beautiful Life, which is a canvas background that's been painted, distressed, has some text. And again, we have that full design over here and a little bit onto the right. This is another one that's a perfect background, ready to go and make a really quick and easy layout. The back is a butterfly print on this text background. Super gorgeous. Just look at those two together. So one more look at your patterned paper add-on. So I know you're going to want to be sure and get that added to your flavors of the month. Our third add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this gives you more embellishments for each one of the collections so that you can create even more projects. So starting with the Echo Park Birthday Boy, you're going to receive half a pack of the frames and tags. So these will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. Lots of little tags and then the little sayings, perfect for titles and subtitles. For the Pebbles Kit at Heart, you're going to receive one of the sticker sheets. So again, these will vary, but this is the one I got. Lots of those cute little animals. For the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection, our Valentine collection, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have the scalloped floral border, lots of the word labels, titles, subtitles, and then tons of icons, all the way from this large little beetle bug with the balloons to smaller ones that you can use for little sprinkles on your layouts and some tabs. Just super cute. For the Simple Stories Weathered Garden collection, you're going to receive a 6x6 stencil. So this is great if you've wanted to try a little bit of mixed media or something like that. All you need is some inks. You can use lots of different things. If you have any questions about those, just be sure to drop it down below and we'll help you. So this is the Branch and Butterfly stencil. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Remember that the Shots of Life coordinates as well and can give you more patterned paper and embellishment. So the link to that kit is here so that you can see everything that's included in that kit. Be sure to check out the store for all the individual items. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.